Hello kids, welcome to Prime Kids World. My name is Adorable Girl. I am so happy you're here today because we're going on a magical journey back to the very beginning of everything. Yes, everything. Do you know who made the sky, the stars, the animals, and even you? Let's find out together in the story of creation from the Bible. Day 1, light and dark. In the beginning, there was nothing, just darkness. But God had a big, beautiful plan. So God said, "Let there be light." And boom, there was light. God called the light day and the darkness night. That was the first day. Day 2, the sky. Next, God made something very special, the sky. He separated the waters above from the waters below, creating a big blue sky for us to enjoy. That was the second day. Day 3, land, sea, and plants. On day 3, God made the land appear. He called the dry land earth and the water sea. Then he said, "Let there be plants." And the earth grew trees, flowers, fruits, and veggies. God saw it and said, "That's good." That was the third day. Day 4, sun, moon, and stars. On the fourth day, God made the sun to shine during the day, and the moon and stars to sparkle at night. He made seasons and times so we know when it's morning, night, summer, or winter. Day 5, fish and birds. God wasn't done yet. On day 5, He made all kinds of fish to swim in the sea and birds to fly up high in the sky. God said, "Be happy, grow big families." That was the fifth day. Day 6, animals and people. Now, on day 6, guess what? God made animals, lions, tigers, cows, puppies, kitties, all kinds. But the best creation of all was people. That's right, you and me. God made boys and girls in His own image. That means we are super special to Him. He said, "Be kind, take care of the earth, and grow your families." Day 7, rest. After all that amazing work, God saw everything He made and said, "It is very good." And on the seventh day, God rested. So we also take time to rest, pray, and thank God for His love. Wrap up. Wow! Isn't God's creation wonderful? He made the world with love and care just like He made you. Thank you for watching our video and thank you for subscribing to our channel, Prime Kids World. I hope you remember that God made everything and He made you very special. See you next time, friends!